Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact. Let's talk about putting your quiz in your link in bio. Adding a quiz to your link in bio is probably one of the easiest ways to promote your quiz. That way, when you're talking about it in your posts, in stories, in reels, maybe even in comments, you can advise people to simply visit your link in bio so they can access your quiz and become a subscriber. Take a look at Miss Ellen Yin's Instagram page. If you click on the link in bio right here, you're taken to her bio where you can easily see you're able to click and take the quiz right here. I love that Ellen has added take the quiz to her quiz title in this link right here, because especially if that's the way you're promoting your quiz in your post, hey, take the quiz, check the link in bio, then that's really going to call their attention to that specific link on this page. Check out this post that Ellen made calling out the quiz title and again reminding people that this is a quiz. So if someone saw this post, when they get to your link in bio, it's going to be very obvious the exact link that they need to click on. You want them to click on your quiz link so that you can move them from Instagram or whatever social platform you are on into your email system. And if you open up this post, you'll see in the comments here that that's exactly what she's instructing her users to do. So if this post or this reel here caught someone's attention and they were reading it, they would know exactly where they need to access the quiz. Especially when you can't link directly in a post like on Instagram, make sure that accessing your quiz is super simple and super easy. If it's too hard to find your quiz or requires too many clicks, it's likely you will lose the lead. Adding a quiz to your link in bio is as easy as copying the link to your quiz, whether it be the Interact link that you get when you publish it or you've embedded it on a different page to your own domain, and pasting it into either the actual link within your Instagram profile setting or the link software that you're using, Linktree, StanStore, things like that. To grab the Interact link to your quiz to place it in your bio, simply log in to your Interact account. For the quiz that you're wanting to include, click on Share and Embed. From here, you can simply hit Copy Link. If you did want to embed the quiz on your own domain, so you're not using this URL, but your own, maybe jackie.com/quiz, right? Then head over to the embed code section. I recommend using the JavaScript option, and then you're able to embed the actual quiz on a link that you can control the actual name of. And then either paste that link in your profile settings on Instagram so that your quiz is the main call to action, or access your link in bio product. Name it something like Take the Quiz with the quiz title, paste in the URL to your quiz, and you're able to publish it. This way, here's a preview over here. When somebody sees this in your link in bio, they'll see Take the Quiz, any other information that you've included there, and then the button to access it. Check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials and specific platforms on how you can add your quiz to your link in bio. If you don't see the platform that you use there, hit me up in the comments below. I'll be sure to check out your platform of choice and post a video on how exactly you can add a quiz to it. If you don't have a quiz yet, head over to ai.tryinteract.com and have a quiz made for you.